Ever wondered how to raise money from private equity investors? Private equity, in simple terms, is capital that is not listed on a public exchange. This video will guide you through the process of raising funds from these private sources. Stay tuned as we unravel the mystery behind raising money from private equity investors. First, grasp what private equity really is. Imagine a group of investors pooling their capital together to invest in a private company, not publicly traded on the stock market. They commit their funds for a certain period, say 5 to 7 years, nurturing the company for growth. This type of investment can offer high returns, justifying the risk and patience involved. It's like planting a seed and waiting for it to grow into a fruitful tree. Now that we understand what private equity is, let's move on to the steps of raising money from these investors. Raising money from private equity investors involves key steps. First, you need to have a solid business plan. This isn't just about how you'll make money, but also how you'll create value for your investors. Second, identify potential investors. Research firms that align with your industry and growth stage. Third, it's time to pitch your business. This is where you sell not only your business idea but also yourself as a capable leader. And finally, the fourth step is to negotiate and close the deal. This is where you'll discuss the terms of the investment and make any necessary compromises. Follow these steps and you could be well on your way to securing private equity funding. So, why should you consider raising money from private equity investors? The benefits are numerous and significant. Firstly, this route can provide access to large amounts of capital, often larger than traditional funding methods. Additionally, private equity investors bring along their expertise and extensive networks, which can be invaluable for your business growth. Furthermore, with the right partnership, there's potential for high returns, making it a potentially lucrative venture. Securing private equity funding can propel your business to new heights. Raising money from private equity investors doesn't have to be a daunting task. Remember the steps we've discussed and the benefits that come with this funding option. Consider this path for your business. With the right approach, you could be the next big success story in the world of private equity.